Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the scene and placing a syn camera actor so you can frame action precisely. First, ensure your level is the active map and drag a syn camera into the world. This gives you film-style controls. Once placed, set auto possess or attach the camera to a pawn so you can preview movement. Make sure to enable high resolution and set lens settings now. This prevents rework later and keeps focal length and aperture consistent as you proceed. Next, rig the camera for predictable motion using a camera rig crane or rail. You want smooth, repeatable paths. Open Sequencer, add your syn camera, and create transform and settings tracks. Then set keyframes for position, rotation, lens focal length, aperture, and focus. This lets you sculpt the shot. Once done, refine easing curves in the curve editor to remove pops. Make sure to scrub the timeline and play in viewport to verify motion. To finish, set up render movie settings. Choose resolution, frame rate, and file format, then render from sequencer or movie render queue for higher quality. Once rendered, confirm motion blur and depth of field match intent by reviewing playback. If colors shift, export with linear workflow. If things go wrong, there's a common fix. Increase temporal or subframe sampling in render settings, or verify world scale and camera transform are stable. If jitter persists, bake transforms and re-export to ensure consistent frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.